Alright guys, here I am back again with another recap. I was having a pretty nice week, 3 days in a row of 760, 700, 800. I was red on Monday, but today, Friday, again, locking in a pretty big red day. Well, I can manage it, I can tolerate it, I'm okay with it. But big as in it's the biggest loss that I've had in all of month of June, so I mean it kind of hurts a little bit. I'm not so mad about losing it. I'm mad about the two trades that I took that instantly went red on me. Instantly not profitable on them, so I had to close them right away. There was no hesitating of I'm gonna backhold this or not. It would have played out, but most of the times it won't, so I'm going to cut it out real quick. So make sure you hit like and subscribe if you like this recaps. Help me out. I obviously cannot make money today. Didn't make money, so help me out with the algorithm at least. And with that being said, if you guys want to watch me trade live, go ahead and go to YouTube and hit that notification bell, and then you'll get notified when I go live. Monday is closed, so I'll be back on Tuesday, and Tuesday is my birthday as well, so I'll be trading next time on my birthday. If not, you can go to tradecaster.com with lower latency, less than 1 second delay. So make sure you do your own due diligence in stocks and learn a lot before you go in blindly and lose your money. With that being said, let's go over and take a look at my trades. Alright guys, so here is, I'm going to start with the losers, so I'm going to be looking at REV, which is Revlon. This one was the #1 gapper on the day. By the way, there is going to be a lot of good information here to show you guys of how to manage a red day, so I suggest you take these advice from me, somebody that's been doing this for a while, to not be able to increase your red days or actually blow up your accounts. So I saw this move happening. I was very hesitant of jumping in at the break of VWAP, which I should have. I would have caught this move, but then I was looking at the $3.50 break. So we have our resistance of free market up here at 368, and then 3.5. I was looking to see if we held 3.5, if we start holding 3.5, and then take a trade from 350 all the way back up to that high of 368 to the pre-market high, and get a new high. Maybe $4 would be our next target right up here, so $4. But in the meantime, I was looking at a bounce of 350 all the way to 370. We had a very nice move. A lot of shorts probably got squeezed out of this move in this out of this stock in this move. We get up to 350 to the penny, pull back, and then we ripped through to 350 and kind of consolidated it with two candles right here. So I thought maybe we'd fall in this range of 350 and then 368, 350 again, and then maybe get a breakthrough that new high of day, something like this. And so when I took this trade, I bought the first pullback to tip 350 right in here. I jumped in it at 350, and if you go watch my live recap, it'll be uploaded. Not my recap, my whole live stream. If you go see my live stream, I bought in at 350, and the second I bought, instant flush down to 344 and started pulling down to 336. So let me actually show my trades and see if where I was filled. Oh wait, hold on. Let me see, Reb. There we go. So you can see I bought in at 350, and on those same trades, I took them out at 336, 337. So lost about 13 to 14 cents on that play. Instantly down was 5,000 shares, so I was instantly down like I think 600, 700. That candle actually recovered, closed above the 9 EMA, and then this green candle kind of closed above 3.5. And at this point, I'm like, okay, maybe that was just a false flush, right? So we might recover, hold 3.5 again. So I'll take a stab again at 3.5, a little dip entry there, and see if we hold 3.5 in this area, and then get that move back up to 365 and a new high of day, right? So once again, I jump in at 349.99, 5,000 shares long at 350, looking to hold this $0.50. And you can guess what happened. The second I bought, the second I hit the buy button, instantly down all the way, flushed me down, and this one looks like I stopped at 340. So instant loss down there at 340. So almost not the bottom of the candle, but then I would have definitely been scared. This candle down here had a very nice close, so open high and then closed at the bottom. So I still would have been scared that it would kept flushing. So I just stopped out right away, right? Even if it's a big trade, if it's a small trade, if I don't get the move that I want, I will stop out. Tried it once again. This time comes right back up. Very nice engulfing candle. Closes right above 3.5. I tried it again last time 3.5. Bought in at 3.5 again. So I am nailing my entries. So I nailed the 350. I nailed the 345, 49, and I nailed the 350. But in this scenario, this one actually started pulling up, and I think I took some profit. 356, 357, 352, and it looks like I stopped out at a loss on 345. So 345 was my stop out, which was the very bottom of that candle. I guess I had to stop there, and I said if it stops me out, oh well. If it doesn't, I'll keep going. So I was up $300 on that trade at the top here. I took some profit, and then because I stopped that below break even, I actually ended up losing the $300 that I made. So I went back to that break even, or not break even, to that same loss of $1,100-$1,200 on this day. So this right here, choppiness at 350, I got caught in it twice. The third time never was in my favor, or it never really moved and ripped in my favor. This right here is a move that I was looking for. This is the squeeze that I wanted. Of course, the one time I leave it alone, the one time I don't buy that 350 hold is the time that it rips. Honestly, I should have chased this micro pullback right below the highs, right below 367, and see if we get a continuation up to $4, which we did hit 388. So I missed out on an extra 10-20 cents there, but no trades there. Once I saw that nice engulfing, I jumped up here at 382, bottom of this, not bottom of this candle, high of this candle, sold it at 382, barely any profit, and sold some at 385, barely any profit, and then tried it again back here, which I think on this one I still also 384 is where I bought and sold 387, 388, so barely made any money back. But this is what I'm saying, guys. So I was down already by the end of this trade, still down $1,100-$1,200, right? Now, what's going through my mind, and this is the lesson that I want to give you guys, is at this point, either I get one lucky trade of a lifetime, a miracle trade of a lifetime, and make more than $1,300 on that trade, but I am risking a big red day, or I just try to play it smaller, try to downsize, and just chip away my loss, right? I know I'm going to be red on the day. I know I'm going to have a loss on my trader view import, but my job is not to break even. My job is not to go green. My job is to just trade the same patterns, trade the same strategy, trade the same moves, but maybe downsize a little bit and see if I can just chip away that loss. And if you have that mentality, your loss days will be just like this one, where you just cut it out and leave it there. I could have came back here and traded 5,000 shares here and could have lost money, traded 5,000 there, could have lost money, or maybe start forcing trades, right? Like maybe force a trade down here that I wouldn't really buy through that flush, maybe catch that flush and pulls back down. Maybe start trading up in here, which I'm not good at, and you guys know that. So you guys know that I buy the breakouts, buy those little small micro pullbacks, 1 minute pullbacks, stuff like that. So I'm not going to force things that I'm not used to just because I'm red. And also another thing, well, let me go through my other trades. My other trades was MREO. These are just going to go quickly, quick scalp. On this one, I was looking to buy the break of 150. So 150 is way up here. So green engulfing candle right up to a new high of day, 145. I jumped in at 143. Right below that, it started taking profit at 46, 44, and stopped out. Made $46 on that one. And then the last one was MREO and blue. Blue was an attempt to break $4, so on blue it's pretty choppy today. I think it was $4, yeah. So we came up to $4 one time, two times, three times, and that is the time that I tried getting that breakthrough for. Didn't work out, so I stopped out on a loss. I think this loss right here was about $150, $200, and this is a lower price stock and not moving as much, so I still took that 5,000, same share size, same breakout. I lost a little bit there, and now I'm a little bit more red on the day, right? So now I probably was down 13, 1400 because of this loss here to another 160, $70 loss. I don't remember. So I downsized on that next play. Once again, here's the lesson, guys. If you're red on the day, don't try to get it all back in one trade. Just chip away at that loss. Just chip it away. So came back here, kind of an extended move, kind of later in the day. I'm already red, 2,500 shares, and this one I was able to get a little bit of profit because I was down 170, 180. So I made about 80, 90, $100 on that trade right there. But what I was gonna talk about on REV. So I was down I'm down a little bit under $1,200 on the day, right? And you guys know that I don't come back and trade power hour. I think I traded power hour once in the last month, 2 months, or something like that. I don't usually trade power hour. It's not my forte. It's not my strategy. It's not what I am used to. And on the green days, I'll leave it alone, right? Right? I'm gonna lock in my profits. I don't want to give those profit back. I don't want to lose money. But today I am red. I was tempted to come back in here, and I was tempted because REV actually broke that $4 and kept rising. Look at this nice move that we got later in the day. I had an alert set on this stock right at here at 367. If I got over 367, I was looking at $4. And you got that clean trade from 367 all the way to $4 right there. Did I take it? Did I trade it? No. You can see my show trades are still enabled, right? Show trades there, no trades here. I left it alone. I could have definitely gotten break even on some of these trades. I mean, 5,000 shares, I need 20 cents, or 10,000 shares, I need 10 cents to make back 1,000. Definitely right here from 4.3, 4.5, 4.6 all the way to 4.7, that's 40 cents right there. From 367 to 4, that's 30 cents. From 4 to this move up here, that's 30 cents. I definitely could have made 1,000, but because I'm not used to trading power, I'm not used to trading lunch hour, I'm not used to trading later in the day. Just because I'm red doesn't mean I'm going to take that trade. So I left it alone, just looked at it, just watched it. I was sitting here at my computer, and I was just sitting right here with my arms crossed and said, oh, I would have taken that trade. Am I going to take it? No. Maybe use paper money, maybe use something like that, but I left it alone, and that is why you should as well. So just because you're red, don't change your strategy. So that does conclude my recap. Those are REV trades right here at that 350 is what chopped me out. Two big trades and instantly red on those. Gave back a pretty good profit there. But overall, I mean, this red day cancels out yesterday's profit and the day before, and that's it. So it just cancels out 2 days. When my winning consistency does that, I'll take 2 days and still make profit if I have one red day, and that is why I shine the best. So my consistency. So with that being said, I'm gonna come back on Tuesday since Monday is not market is closed. So I'll come back Tuesday with a fresh mind. Not thinking about this loss, and just work on my strategies, my trades, and focus on a new day. With that being said, guys, if you want to see me trade on Tuesday and stop by and say happy birthday to me as well, make sure to go do that, guys, on Tradecaster and on YouTube, and I will see you guys Tuesday. If not, I will see you guys for Tuesday's recap. You guys stay safe out there, do your research and all that stuff before you put your real money on the line. Until next time.